The name of the slave of Hazrat Asma, Hazrat Abu Bakr's daughter, radiyallahu anha, was Abdullah, and he was the maternal uncle of the son of Ata. He said, Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha dispatched me to Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, saying, I know you declare three things forbidden: patterns on clothes, red mattresses, and fasting in the month of Rajab. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, As for the fasting of Rajab, how can a person declare them forbidden, who himself observes perpetual fasting? As for patterns on clothes, I have heard Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu say that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Only he wears silk who has got no share in the hereafter. And I feared perhaps the patterns are made with silk. As for red mattresses, the mattresses of Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu is also of red color. The reporter says, with these answers, I went to Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha and told her those answers. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said, It is the robe of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She brought out a Thialsi, Kasarwani robe on whose sleeves and neckline were the patterns made from silk. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said, This robe was in the custody of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha till her demise. And when she passed away, I took possession of it. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would don that robe. We wash it for the sick and implore cure thereby for them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5376.